Welcome to the Cobot lesson on smart programming. Before you're able to use the smart torch, you must drag the handled teach icon into the timeline. The left button, located on the front of the Cobot, allows you to make an air move by clicking the button once. Hold the button for 3 seconds to create arc start and arc end points. Hold the external enabling switch to enable manual robot movement. Move the arm to a point in space, then press the left button once to record. This is your air move. As you move and press the button again, the Cobot will continue to record those points. Once you have finished recording air moves, return to the teach pendant, press complete, and the program has been made. Now, if we turn teach pendant off by pressing the button in the top right corner, we are able to run in auto mode. Once in auto mode, adjust your speed as desired. You can now run through the points just recorded. Thank you. Be sure to check out our library of videos for more tips and troubleshooting information related to your Lincoln Electric Cobot.